Welcome to waterco.com, a trusted plumbing resource. In this video we are going to show you 5 best sump pump battery. Number 1. Universal Power Group, Deep Cycle AGM Battery for Sump Pump. It requires less time to recharge. Compact enough to save space. Longer lifespan. Shock and vibration proof. Affordable price. Number 2. Wayne ESP25, Best Battery Backup System. It has lightweight design. Comes with the battery box. Audible alarm. LED light with active signal. Longer life guaranteed. Number 3. Wayne WSP1275, Maintenance-Free Backup Battery. It is compact for convenience. Up to 8-hour backup. Pre-charged and ready to use. AGM battery with protection. Number 4. Sentry 822 PS Emergency Power for Sump Pumps. It is compact and lightweight. Hassle-free installation. 0.33 horsepower. Automatic resuming system. Number 5. PumpSpy PS2000, Best Wi-Fi Sump Pump Battery Backup System. It has high power capacity. Complete package. Remote monitoring. On app to monitor. Long-lasting performance. Thanks for watching. To get more in-depth review, check our blogs at waterco.com.